Hey Mike, here's your unit. That's your transformer container box. Houses the transformer, just plugged into a 110 outlet. These are your wires. These wires that are showing you connectors, what you're going to do is run those to the pole. You'll have the marks, a diagram where you're going to drill all your holes for the pole, then run the wires through the pole and out in the hole, and you're going to mount this bracket on the back side. Everything shows in the drawings. Then you have your rubber grommets. Make sure you put those in. This one's for the base. Put the pole on. You can use 6 foot, 8 foot. Kind of line it up nice and even, and then tap it on the ground. It'll actually start pressing in until you hit the bottom. So when it feels like it's hitting the bottom, double check on the base. That's your cap for the bell. You're going to remove the screw, and then you have Tech screws. So you're going to line the two corners up on the bar, so the bar will go that way. And then you use the Tech screws to tighten it in. I usually put the first Tech screw at the top on top of the cap. So everything else, you can see how the signs, all the clamps are. So basically you just mount the clamps back on. There's all the paper just on the railroad crossing sign. You remove that. We leave that on for shipping because we'll double it up so it doesn't get scratched. Your wireless remote, basically A button turns the unit on, B button turns the bell on. A button, if you have the B on, shuts both off, and then just the A button shuts it back off. Let us know. You can send us a video of how you installed it, and if it was very easy, appreciate it, at maddogstrains@gmail.com. Thanks.